Hey everyone, you've probably seen some of my previous videos where I showed you how to generate AI images for free. But let's be honest, most of those tools aren't truly free. After a few uses, they either ask for payment or limit your access. Well, not this time. I've found a tool that actually lets you generate unlimited AI images completely free of charge. No loopholes, no hidden fees, just truly unlimited, high-quality image generation at zero cost. To get started, just click the link in the description below, or simply search Gentube on Google and click the first result. Once you're on the site, all you need to do is sign up using your Gmail ID. It's quick and easy. After signing in, you can see that there are so many AI images generated by users. Now, let's create your own AI image. Head over to the Create tab, and from there, you can start generating AI images instantly. And when I say instantly, I mean it. It literally takes about 5 seconds to create an image, sometimes even faster. Now, you simply need to write any kind of prompt here. It can be anything, just let your creativity flow. For example, I'm going to type an elephant walking on the road. As you can see, in less than 5 seconds, the image is generated, and it looks really impressive. If you want to change the aspect ratio, you can do that from here. Whether you want a square image, a wide cinematic frame, or something vertical for mobile, it's totally up to you. And if you'd like to change the background or style, all those options are available here, making it super flexible and fun to experiment with. Pretty amazing, right? Let's choose a background from the available options. I'm going with City of Neon. And just look at that. The image is looking fantastic with this vibrant, futuristic backdrop. Next, let's explore the different styles we can apply. There are so many to choose from, including anime, 4K realistic, 3D, and many more. Each one gives your image a completely different vibe. Let's try the anime style for this one. And wow, it looks even better now, doesn't it? The colors pop, the lines are crisp, and it really gives the image a unique personality. Also, if you want to create your own custom style, you can do that easily by clicking right here. Just fill out the details of what you want in the image, whether it's specific colors, themes, elements, or vibes you're going for. It's a powerful way to make your images truly unique and stand out from the rest. Gentube really stand out from other tools like Midjourney or DALL-E, especially for creators who are just getting started or don't want to deal with monthly subscriptions. You also get access to a real-time community feed where you can browse what other users are generating. If something catches your eye, you can hit Remix to use that same style or concept and make it your own. It's a great way to get inspired or to get new ideas quickly. The speed alone makes it a powerful brainstorming tool, and when you compare it to other platforms, it holds its own. Sure, it might not offer deep editing features or extremely high-resolution outputs just yet, but for fast, free, and creative image generation, it's hard to beat. If you want to try it out, click the link in the description and start creating right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.